Hey everybody, welcome to the third series of the Yamaha MT-07 rebuild. Now I'm on my way to Vilnius from Kaunas to go to Differs. They're making my custom license number plate holder. Yeah, and then later on I'm going to drive to Fasta Mix to straighten out the forks because they're a little bit bent. Yeah, that's the plan. So now I have like 97 kilometers to go. I'm going with the Husky. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see a lot more than on the videos. I'm sorry that I didn't upload so much videos now because it was hard to upload them because we hadn't had parts coming in and not so much time because my final exams are coming, so I have to study a bit. That's pretty hard, but yeah. So by the way, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's Motocornas, the same as YouTube. I would appreciate it. Write something to me in Instagram or somewhere else that you're from YouTube, so I know that you watch my videos. It'll be cool. So yeah, so I'll see you when I go to the Differs. So
and it painfully strikes when I see your smile, even though I know I've been in pain for a while. And every time you call my name out loud, I can be the one to take the damage like a shroud. Hear voices like the purest sound when I hear it daily, but you're not around. All the beautiful things reminds of you, and baby, it is true. Seeing the photos in my head of the two dreams keep on coming just like they should. Now my heart is broken into two and I keep on missing you. I don't need nobody else but you, that cute girl that pretends to. Before we used to dream a lot about a house with a pool. Now I just scroll past and I can't get through.
welcome to the Differs. This is their shop. It's really nice here, cozy. Second floor. There's a lot of project bikes here. As you can see, these are my forks. I'm gonna go to fix them up because they're bent. I don't know if you can see in the video. If it's fixable, I'll fix it. If it's not, I'm gonna buy new ones because I don't think that you should play with these things. So yeah, this is a nice place. That's my MT. This is his wheel. Very nice. So yeah, this is one of their projects. So I'm gonna do some cinematic shots, and then after we're gonna drive to Fasta Mix to fix up the forks. So see ya. The Differ shop. Going out from them to put my forks, to fix my forks. It's hard to drive and speak. So yeah, you can see them here. They live, no, they do not live here, but their shop is here. It's why I chose them, because they're very tidy. You can see from like few videos, you'll see in this video that they're really working clean. It's really nice to see guys who are passionate of their work because they really love what they do. Fastening my seatbelt is pretty hard. So yeah, so now I'm off to Fasta Mix, and I think I'll see you there. So day is finished, and this episode is finished too. So what I did today is checked out. I didn't show you the CAD file of the number plate holder. I'll ask the differs to send me a photo of it for you to imagine what I'm doing with a bike. Put my forks. I went to fix my forks. The guy said he'll fix it. It's not that bent, and it's all good. And they're gonna do it by week. So it's Fast MX in Vilnius. We chat a bit. He's a pretty nice guy. So yeah. So this is gonna be a wrap up. So I don't know. I should say follow me or just subscribe to me. But if you don't like it, don't like it. Leave a like if you're interested in more of these videos. This keeps me going, because I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong, because I'm just pretty new but now. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and other social media. My name is Arturas, so pretty easy to find. And write me. I'm always interested to solve some problems, to help out, so fellow motorcyclists. So yeah, see ya.